Hi, this is Sunny with RT Solutions, and welcome to hashtag Essence of Time. And this is for days 83, 84, 85, and 86 because I'm trying to play catch up. So, and this is a 100-day project where you have 10 minutes to craft something, and you can see what you can make within that time frame. So, on our last session, we made this we colored in the last page, and I created like a little layout with a little pocket here and here, and just added on some fussy cut and different types of images and stuff like that. So since the book is not, I'm not going to say it's completely done, but either way, for this last few sessions, I'm going to do some layouts in inside this little journal, and then we'll probably make other little things to just finish filling up the book. And then I've still got stuff that I've made that I never even used in the book, so we'll see what we'll do with those. But for today's 4 sessions, we are going to I like this as it is. I'll probably add a title to it, but to start out, I'm going to be doing some layouts with these, and I'm going to be using a combination of like washi tapes, maybe some pet tape and stickers, and I've got some like little die cuts and different things, papers from gosh, who knows where, and then scraps and things like that, stickers and all kinds of stuff like that. So I'm just going to see what all I'm just going to make some layouts using a combination of different things. So the good thing, and I'm also going to use some stencils and some distress inks and things like that. So let me go ahead and set it for 40 minutes. So I'm not going to talk at all during this session until the thing is done, and it will just be sped up. So let's go ahead, and it's going to be 40 minutes. Okay, so we're pretty much done, and I'm just a few minutes early, but that's okay. So here's our little layout. We have a little lady on here used with vellum. I use a combination of vellum, like pet tape, stickers, all that stuff. A little bit of paints, distress oxide ink, stamps, things like that, you know. Quick and easy, really simple and fun. So this was what, days 83, 84, 85, and 86. So I tried to knock it out and get caught up. So, well, there goes the time. So if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. And if you haven't already, please subscribe to my channel and check out my other videos, blog, and social media sites. And as always, I thank you guys so much for watching.